Question 9. One of the limitations of the mass spectrometer is that it A. is very difficult to operate. B. it's a very expensive machine. C. easily breaks down during operation. D. cannot be used to analyze substances which decomposes on heating. The correct answer is D. It cannot be used to analyze substances which decompose on heating. Explanation: mass spectrometry works by heating substances to turn them into vapor. So if your substance breaks down when it's heated, then it's a game over for you, right? Mass spec won't get any useful data from your sample. So the bottom line here is that if your compound breaks on heating, it cannot be tested by the mass spec.